Yo, yo, yo! Oh my god. Oh my god, so maybe it's not the camera, it has to be the cord. Oh my god. Now they can hear me. Damn, I switched out cameras and this, so it's not the camera, it has to be the cord then. Damn, that's so annoying. Yo, chat. Y'all hear me? Do W's in the chat. Hello. There we go. Hello. There we go, chat. Y'all can see me? Damn, so yeah, it has to be that thing. Get some W's in the chat. Where's everyone at? Oh, good. JDA was good. Let's go with the gangland. Yes, hear and see you. Hello, hello. Let's go to here. Hello. Hello, hello. Let's go to here. Oh yeah, we're up. Cool. Hope you guys are all doing good. Let's get into the charts. Hope you guys are all having a good Wednesday. Usually I don't go live on Wednesdays, but I was like, you know what? I was kicking it with the boy Nix and we're like, let's go spit some gems to the freaking people. Wanted to check out TRADERTV heading into open. We have Frankfurt open in 3 minutes. So looking to see if we can get some sort of pump. Wait and see. Yesterday's pump up, kind of corrected. I could see us coming up to fill some of this equilibrium. So we have like 2 minutes. 2 minutes until then. Got the Maybach matted black and that Suburban. Wait to see, chat. Could get a correction down. Wait to see, not getting anything yet. Look at anything? I didn't even see it, I believe. Hear that? You hear that? Chat, it is windy as hell in LA. It's ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous. Everyone drop in the chat where you're from. Rep it. Rep it. Pakistan, shout out Pakistan. What's up, what's up, what's up? Now we have UK 100 right here as well, guys. Another indice. Let's look at TRADERTV though. We got 1 minute until open. Need to see some sort of liquidity be taken in some sort of way. Which could be our entry. Cape Town, South Africa, shout out that. Good morning, V Legacy. Chicago, shout out Chicago. Shout out Chirac. Alright guys, got the hourly open. We did not close above here, so it shows a lack of volume. Definitely less probability. Wait to see. I'm expecting price to come up into here. Oh. Come into here and then get some sort of sell off, honestly. I just have this up to kind of mark up that, like, I think that because if you go to the hourly and you see we've had this big meltdown, that we still have to come up and fill some of this move before continuing down more. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, that was a beautiful short there. I remember that. Up, down. I get stuck in this little consolidation for a little bit. Hey, what's up, bro? I want to start getting back into Forex trading. Bro, I highly recommend it. You're in the right place. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. We're live here during London sessions. Yeah, I want to come kill it with the gang. You can put your thing up here if you want to move some of that shit. Start chefing. We're here to chef, chat. 30 breaking below. Rejector out of the supply. Right here. I guess we did liquidate a little bit. Selling off tough. Got the Maybach matted black and that, the black and that Suburban. Sells. Could you show us some of your techniques on when to get in the market? So everyone kind of has their own strategies. When it comes to the way that I trade, I definitely look for inducements in places that price is liquidated and look for reactions and reversals from those areas. So, you know, you can see here that we're on this uptrend and we're taking out previous highs. And if you look left, we've taken out these highs as well, which to me, this is taking liquidity above. So whenever I see little wicks taking out previous sessions, especially matching up with overall directions, I look for them, you know, if we take liquidity, I look for breaks of lows in the other direction once you break structure for kind of setups like this. You know what I'm saying? Where you're taking the reversal, kind of taking the trade back into the range. Gary's selling off as well if you were to take it. Nas just flew all morning, guys. I saw the most. Oh, I had an entry in here. Right here. Ugh. Sick to my stomach. You looking at anything? No, if you see anything. Here's a way that I get in the market. This is a thing. This is a drawing I was over this morning with my mentorship. This is literally bread and butter. I look for places in the market where we led to like a liquidity grab and, you know, direction. This to me is the impulse. Wait for some sort of consolidation with liquidity to take out. I look for lows to be taken out, fill some sort of fair value gap, take the break, boom. Same thing over here, understanding direction, fibbing up to the low to the high, retracement, liquidation, break a structure, boom. So, you know, looking at this setup, we are bearish, but, you know, ideally, we want something like marking up a demand like this. We have nice lows to take out, you know, under here, basically. So, you know, places like that, reverse into here, trend line break, continue, and you just look for big, you know, basically reversal patterns, right? You see we made a low here, made a new one here, channel back up, wants to come back down, make a new one here, induce up, trend line break, you know, do. Yeah, feel me, chat. What's some W's? Come on, who feels me? Who got me, chat? I have to wait to see though. I definitely could see a trend line break on gold. The upside we've been dumping. We'll have to see. Let's go, Daddy Trump for president. Mr. Bull Run himself. I always want to call him Rocket Man. But the reason I want to call him Rocket Man is because he calls Kim Jong-un Rocket Man. And it's just hilarious. He goes, when we talk about Rocket Man, who always threatens me in my account. So funny. Got the Maybach matted black and that's black with that Suburban. Damn, Jer. Both them sold. This almost a little 1-2. 1-1 already hit on it. How are we gonna do the funded giveaway? I'm gonna do a giveaway today based upon the comments on this YouTube video. So guys, if you guys go onto my channel, you guys should already be subscribed with the notifications on, but I did drop a video today. I made $13,000 in 2 days full strategy. I appreciate it if everyone goes and leaves some comments. It's definitely doing pretty good, but it could do better. So, you know, it's not like I put YouTube videos, like guys, I don't, you know, I don't get paid from YouTube. I don't do anything. I really do it to help you guys. Like this is a literal kind of like a fun like vlog breakdown, me doing stuff, and then literally going into me showing you the 2 trading setups that made me all that money. You know, all this good stuff. So just, you know, make sure you guys actually go and do your due diligence to go and, you know, see if you can catch some potential setups. Ooh. Liquidity under. W Chef for the people, yes sir. You already know. Alright guys, so I see Jer had this big push down. We took liquidity, have the sharp move up. We can come down and do something like bing, 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 bing. I'll take that trend line break for the pop. This is the bing, bing, pop strategy. Gotta do a video on that. No, I'm kidding. What up, Salva? Salva, 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 sir. What pairs are you looking at? I haven't even looked at GJ yet, guys. I have this marked up. I like looking at these indices as we get into their session for Frankfurt Open. But you guys already know I love GJ, gold, all that type of stuff. So let's go check it out. Fuck it. GJ, guys. So we can remove these drawings. This is a beautiful setup over here. I called VIP a couple days ago, but nonetheless, we gotta look at current price and what we're doing. So going out to like the hourly time frame, you can see here we had this big move down that took liquidity below these lows right here. You can see swept, big impulse up, higher low, continue. So I kind of want to just, you know, follow price up as we break and retest. You see here that we've rejected into this hourly demand like once. We're kind of filling that wick. So first thing to notice is hourly demand on GJ holding. Gone to the 15. You can define it right there and see that it's, you know, it's kind of a used demand, but still hold out to 30. 15 is right here. Still already been hit into, and we're coming back into the zone. Hopefully we have a 5 minute that's still valid. Ooh, we do. We have a valid 5 minute with lows to take out here. And basically a rally. Trendline break. Like this kinda. So we can wait and see. I can see price having this push down right here. Holding here, break, retest, continue. That. Yeah, y'all feeling me? Scalp that baby. What's up, Bang and Zaza? You already know. I think gold wants some. Hey, tell me, what are you looking at? Good morning. Is everyone doing today? I'm doing good. Uma Puma, how are you? Thank you for being here. Yo, Chef, do you think Trump being president will impact the market? Definitely. So I said, I called him. I called him Mr. He's Mr. Bull Run himself. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get a lot of movement in crypto. The market, you know, when it comes to indices and such, should be pumping the next couple of years. But that's also the speculation. You never know. Trump could go into office and he run his mouth and then start a war with whoever the fuck, and then no, it's not gonna pump. So it really just depends. But overall, yes, him being in the market should improve it. You know, if you guys remember when he was in the market before, pump. Got the Maybach matted black. Bro, why does GU keep missing again? US 30 took off. Yeah, so did NAS and everything. Asia highs look interesting on gold. You have some nice highs to take out. Bigger supply over here to the left. I agree. I agree. Price comes up. Entry. Entry to fall. Wait and see. UK 100 is about to continue that. If you guys look here, big retracement down, had the liquidity sweep. We're back up near the highs now. Out of break. More enticing to take the breakout because we had the retest, where it's like price shouldn't break out if it's not looking to continue. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? And then yeah, we have GJ as well. We go over to the DXY, it is melting. Y'all already know if you guys trade GU, EU, any of those, we know what to look for. We have lows lined up right here, where if those sweep and then DXY goes bullish, we'll get sells off EU, GU, those such. But as of now, EU's having that push. You know, EU and GU go up when DXY is going down. And vice versa, so that's obviously important to understand. And then GJ coming down to these lows, so we'll see. What is your favorite personal account size to scalp or intraday with? I'd like hearing everyone's take on that. I mean, it's your own personal preference. There's not like one, like, I think people who like are the people that are like, oh, I'm gonna load up this size account and try to like flip it today, you know, like that's not trading, that's just gambling. So I think if you ask anyone that and their answer is, oh, 5K and turn it into, like, bro, that's just full margin in your account trying to flip it. That's not really trading. I'd rather go to the casino. At least that's fun. Trading, it can be like stressful. I love Vegas. Who here loves Vegas? Come on, chat. Who here loves Vegas? You been to Vegas? Oh, you're number 21. Yeah. Got the Maybach matted black and down. Oh my god, Salva in Vegas would be crazy. He'd probably rob them. He'd probably take over. They wouldn't even allow him back. They let him play poker. He's hella good at poker. He'd fucking just rob them. They wouldn't believe it. They'd be like, what? He said, so said I'm banned from Vegas. That's why he's never been. Oh yeah, not flipping. What is your favorite? Okay, well then if you weren't talking about flipping and you're talking about like what size to trade with, I always tell people that like the easiest way to kind of break it down is like give me an amount, because first off, I don't think you should have an amount you just say like, oh, I need to make this every month, but a way to kind of get a round number to then actually make whatever you do want kind of realistic is take an amount. So let's say like one of you guys out there, you guys make 6K a month at your job. So you're like, you know what, make an extra 5 to 6K a month trading would be ideal. Okay. So let's break 6K into 3 weeks, right? So 6K, I mean 4 weeks, because there's 4 weeks in a month. You know, if it was 3 weeks, it'd be 2K a week. Just because it's 4 weeks, it's about 1 point, you know, maybe 8K. Let's just say 2K. Let's just say 2K would get us to even 8K, you know, a week. Okay, so 2K a week is our goal. There's 5 trading days, right? How many days a week do you guys trade? So someone like me, I take around 3 trades a week, you know, 3 to 4 trades a week. So, you know, once again, divide, you don't have to divide 2,000 by 4 because that would be going for 1-to-1s, right? So what I would do then is if I'm looking to make $2,000 in a week, I would go, all right, if I'm risking $500 a trade and I usually hit my 1-to-3s, that's usually $1,500, right? So I'd probably risk somewhere around $400 to $500 a trade going for my good risk to reward to hit that 6 to 8K a month. Does that make sense to you guys? So then with that, if you know, all right, if you know, if you think, all right, well, you know, if I want to risk $400 or $500 a trade, how big should my account be? Well, technically it could be 500 if you want to flip it. But what I would do, is it's all, I mean, if you guys break it down backwards. But you guys know what I'm trying to say. Off topic, do you have an idea when all the counting will end election? I got a bet that will end that will get the third candidate. Wait, that Jill. I don't know. I thought the election was over. Trump won, so I don't know what you're talking about. Correct, like some millionaires may just trade 30, 50K and withdraw once or twice. Some make like bigger accounts with risk. I like hearing your take, thanks. Yeah, so like, once again, if you're looking to take, she just took this low. If you're looking to risk $400 or $500 a trade, I'd give yourself at least like 5 misses. So it's 5 times 5, 25. So with a $2,500 account, I'd say you could risk $500 a trade. And, you know, I think that if you have a good strategy and you're following your plan, you shouldn't just lose all 5 of those trades. Does that make sense to you guys? Put a 44 in the chat if I just spit some sauce. Put an L in the chat if I just if I was just talking shit. Got the Maybach matted black and got a black and that's Suburban. $44s. I feel like a lot of the OGs are in the chat today. I appreciate everyone who's here. Josiah, Ovidu, Empower, Bang and Zaza. Jonathan, I see you. Sub G, Sub, of course. Leo Pio Mio, he's here. Uma Puma, Pico Mantella. Where's Tim? Right? That's my dog. Where's Tim? Where's NLT Cam? How much should I leverage for a 25K funded account with only 6% overall drawdown? How much should I leverage? What do you mean leverage? How much should I leverage for a 25K account with only 6%? I don't know what you mean. You mean risk? confused. Leverage is not the correct word there. Risk, okay. How much I risk on a 20 funding account with only 6% overall drawdown? Well, what's 6% of... So your overall drawdown is 6%. I'd probably risk 0.5%. You know, if 1% is $250, maybe risk like 150, 125. Once again, you gotta sample size how many trades you take in a day though, and understand like, huh, what do I have to do to maintain that? You know? Hope y'all get that. I saw a fire freaking reel, and I'm gonna do a similar one, so you guys will, when you see this, you guys will be the first one to see it or hear about it. But it was a reel saying, show me how many trades you take in a day and I'll show you your future. It's so true. Still got a little bit for the hourly closure. I don't think it's gonna go bullish, so gotta wait. So this is like a tip, all right? Everyone pay attention. So I'm looking at GJ, and I definitely do think that we're sweeping some lows to potentially get a reaction and maybe buy up. You gotta understand where the highs and lows of the hourly candle are, because we're at the very lows, and yes, we're getting a little bit of a rejection, but if you go to the hourly candle, what are the chances that this hourly is actually gonna flip and turn bullish? Based upon the market structure, I don't really think that this is gonna be that long candle gonna turn and flip and close bullish. So because I don't really agree with that, I mean, look at, fuck, is it about to flip right now? Holy shit. What are you doing? What are you doing here, GJ? Let me see it on here. I was waiting to see. Join it on TVIP. Let's go, chat. Gold sweep Asia highs? Not yet, but that's what we're anticipating. Oh, just kidding. It already did. That was a sharp move, but the one thing to pay attention to, and I talk about this all the time in my mentorship and on the live streams, is that when price is moving too much and the volume is pushing in that direction, well, guess what? That's the direction that price may want to go to. When it comes to like an Asian session liquidity grab or reacting off a supply, you do not want it to be like pushing up with a ton of volume into the zone. You want to kind of stall out, send wicks up, showing rejections, big inducements, not flying through it like that. You know what I'm saying? That's why when I went over to GJ here, I liked how he had like the wicks coming through, taking out the lows and having the volume kind of coming up in the other direction, showing us that. But we didn't really have any break of structure in the other direction, and I mean, you know, we're still just selling off, so it is what it is. Maybe this 30-minute. Look at anything? Anything look good to you? GA. Yeah, I mean that would line up with what I'm looking for, but I want that shit to go bullish. Ooh, would that look good? Did you grab? Anything to the left? To the left too. Scale in. Are you already in? How would you get in? Where?
I'd probably wait for a break for that.
Up here? Confirm though, yeah. That's why I'd like to wait on GJ, but bro, GJ, you should just fly for, you know, for a real one. I mean, look how this freaking candle was stalling. I mean, hopefully this 30-minute pushes. We'll wait to see. Do you think GJ could take out yesterday's Asia lows? Yeah. I mean, the lows right here, it's not yesterday's, it's the ones from today. But yeah, if this doesn't give an entry right here, I think we're going to come down into the demand, maybe get an entry, or if not, sweep this liquidity, give me a quick break of structure. We will mob. As it's consolidating the Asia high yesterday. What, gold? Gold just took that out. We see if we sell. Just go. I know you want to. No, there's no way. It's gonna sub back down. There ain't no way, bro. Right? Oh, look at Jer. Janet retesting and going. Okay, GJ. Gold's starting to stall after taking out that high. That's good. UJ. So looking over the JPY basket, guys, we are getting sells off here. We just took out this minor high. If we could sell off from here, that would be kind of crazy. I'm not really too convinced. Looks like, you know, this looks like the start of like the head and shoulders I always talk about. Big inducement, price comes up, makes the left, holds, continues up. Shaw feel. Once this 30-minute flips, it should dump, honestly. And the hourly flipped. 30-minute does not look too tough. Like this all looks pretty bad. You never know. The market sometimes there's little bitches. Yeah, I mean, just take liquidity and run. It's literally just the whole concept behind this trade, really. Gold is the crazy one. NASDAQ sold off a bit. EU, AU, gold. GJ. That was some volume. We'll have to wait and see. I'm not convinced. Come on, chat, ask some questions. Any of you guys got anything y'all want to ask? You guys have the opportunity to ask questions and get them answered. Because I know there's a lot of you guys out there confused about stuff. There's no way that there's people out there that just don't need anything, or else you probably wouldn't be on this live. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys have questions, I'm the guy. That candle flip. If you go to the 30-minute, I think we're gonna wick fill this. Top wick flip, you know. Yep. Take out the lows. Hi, new here. What's up, HY? Oh, I guess your name is Hi. 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 Hope you're doing well. Welcome. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that like button. Appreciate you for being here. If you don't know who I am, my name is Luca. I am out here in Los Angeles, California. I've been a day trader for the last almost 5 years. I've been a full-time day trader the last 3. And alhamdulillah, life's good. My favorite pairs, I like trading GJ, gold, and NASDAQ. That's really the only ones I really touch right now. GU and EU have always been my babies for the longest time, but they've been a little slow lately. I've been liking the fast moving stuff. Can't even lie. I would never lie to you. Look at the go. Appreciate you, Jose Rodriguez. Are you subscribed? Thank you so much. Hi. Smash those likes button. Luca dropping golden. Guys, I'm here to drop everything you guys need. Anything you guys need. Answer questions, this, that. There's not too many traders in the industry that's actually willing to come sit here and answer questions for you guys. So like, I always try and encourage you guys that while you have me here, come on now, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. You know what I'm saying? Smoking on top 5. Hello, I'm a little late. What's with gold? Gold originally, like, I'm having this move up. Looks pretty strong, you know, bullish, taking out these highs. But you can see that we're starting to consolidate. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. I come, consolidate, maybe take out a high again, and then something like that. You know what I'm saying? How's life treating you, Luca, outside of trading? Bro, life's good. I don't really have any complaints. I'm super blessed to do what I do. I'm super blessed to have all of you guys here to watch me and support me, and, you know, I'm blessed, bro. I get to live life how I want. I have cool stuff going on, starting new things, taking on new projects. So keeping myself busy and looking ways to elevate and just grow in every aspect I can, you know? I'm new to trading, just starting to go through many tutorials. Well, oh guys, look at GJ. Sorry, chat. Someone said, I have questions. Where are you traveling to next? Is there a meetup? Is another meetup scheduled? Do you guys want another meetup? Everyone in the chat, let me know if you guys want another meetup. If you guys are in California or something, I'm down to do one if you guys want one. The next place I'm traveling to, I'm going to Dubai in next Sunday. Next Sunday, I'll be in Dubai for an entire month. Not an entire month. On that deep level as you are, where and where did you learn that? It really comes with becoming obsessed. That's kind of step one, is I just really became obsessed with it. I just didn't, that's like literally what I wanted to do 24/7. So the obsession is what drove me, I think, really hard. But I'd say how long it took me. I basically started trading. I got into it and I kind of dove a little bit too deep into it. Why? Because I was doing what I was saying earlier not to do, which is loading up little live accounts, trying to, like, you know, like, let's say I had a $1,000 account, $2,000 account. I was risking like $500 to $1,000 a trade, where it's like the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? So I was either like, it was just a win and a lose battle. It was gambling, like I said, where it's like you either hit for, you know, you turn the 1,000 into like 3,000, or you blow it all. You know, so that really actually like discouraged me, and it made me not really like trading that much. And I took a break for a little bit. I actually got really into crypto. I was really into crypto, got into that a little bit, but I always really wanted to get back into trading. I felt like I was just busy with school, and all that type of stuff. So it wasn't when I got, and also it's because I learned it through IML. It wasn't until I got added to this, I literally got a random DM on my Instagram saying, hey, you interested in trading? I see you follow some similar groups that I follow. Here's a link to join. So I joined it, and it was like, you know, just a small little group around 15 people, traders from all over. And it was someone in there that like kind of mentored me and really helped me get to the next level and showed me the right from the wrong and, you know, all type of stuff. So I think having a mentor was huge. That was my first mentor. And then I had like a second one I went and bought. But I'd say like, you know, I started making profits about a year and a half into it. And then about a year and a half into it, when I started making those profits, it was because of those live account flips. And that's when I came across prop firms. I had no idea what prop firms were, guys. You gotta think, I started, you know, it's not like I'm just brand new to this. It was back when there was barely any prop firms. I mean, there was prop firms, but it was like, you know, you either used my Forex funds or used FTMO. That was really it. And that was when I started making my first big profits, was from prop firms. And prop firms is what really changed everything for me, was prop firms for sure. And live streaming, passing accounts with you guys, like you know, making profits with you guys live, like that stuff really kept me going, pushing me, all type of stuff for sure. I'm holding gold, boys. Gone yesterday. Impulse, not be patient. Nice. For trend, do you usually use 4 hour, 1 hour for day trading? I think both of them will show you. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of easy to tell the trend. You know what I'm saying? We're either an uptrend, downtrend, or it's just consolidating sideways. And if it's consolidating, you definitely don't want to be in it. But going off of that, I think that it's like more important to go to the hourly and find where the impulse leg is. The impulse leg is going to save you a ton. That's going to give you the direction of where you want to play off to. Luca gold swords, I'm not sure. Check right now. Well, I know nothing less than I literally use 100% margin for $100 account max. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, is that's what you shouldn't be doing. What you shouldn't be doing. Come to Europe, bro. I love Europe so much. That's where I would live. Well, do you think J30 is going to the upside? Yes. Same thing happened to me recently, 50% trade like gambling. That's what I'm saying. It's just, you know, it's, you shouldn't be doing gold. That's crazy, my Forex funds. Guys, I was funded with my Forex funds. I have videos. If you guys have been following me for a while, I still have them on my, if you guys go to my highlights on my Instagram, I had a funded account with my Forex funds for over a year. Not many traders can say they kept a funded account for over a year. You know what I'm saying? Hey, just stick to one thing, bro. Otherwise, never gonna let it. There's always a reason to get longer. Sure, to stick to one, test it 3 months. Yeah, so you gotta test something. So definitely do what he said. Find a strategy. You gotta test it for a couple months, apply it, and you know, back test it, gain that data so you can be confident with it. Don't be risking 50% of trade. I had a nice payout pending from them before they went down. No. I got a payout the week before. I was in Croatia. I have a video. I literally know exactly what my last payout was. I took a video. I was in Croatia and in a really nice hotel. I want to go back to that hotel, but it was literally the week before. Sorry for asking newbie question. Currently, I'm stuck on counting lots with 1 to 100, 1 to 1,000 leverage on it. Well, those are two different ones. Are you 1 to 100 or 1 to 1,000? You said both. You know what I'm saying? Bring them to the floor. Luca, when I have backtesting sessions on your channel, the backtesting sessions I do are really with my mentorship. If you guys are interested in my mentorship, you guys can click the link in the description to come tap in with the inner circle. But the YouTube is really to come here, answer questions for you guys, call live setups, and then I also drop YouTube videos. You know, like the YouTube video I dropped today goes over my entire strategy and goes over both the trades that made me, you know, 13,000 in just 2 trading days. Reminder, guys, if you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, If you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, y'all got to comment on that video. Thank you guys for the views. You guys are doing good. That's if y'all are interested. Where's the volume coming from, bro? Like, GG, you gonna buy or not? Hey, to see you look at anything? All right, chat. We have okay, yeah, we got Torta Pounder here in the building. How many pairs are you trading on? I really just like trading like GJ Gold. I look at all the pairs because once again, they all move with each other, bro. If you've been trading long enough, you guys know that certain pairs reflect each other. You know, if one pair is going up, you're like, oh shit, this other pair should be going up too, or oh, dang, this pair should be going down. Correlation is huge all across. A lot of people love correlating, you know, ES, YM, like all this type of, you know, different stuff. But yeah, y'all should know for sure. Yeah, it's just got it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's crazy. Low-key, I said that though, that the hourly wasn't ready. We're just gonna consolidate there in that bottom wick. That's actually kind of funny. You want to break down some charts? All right, chat. We got the boy Nick's here with us as well. Go to trader. We're gonna break down some charts with you guys. I'm gonna make a little protein shake. Ooh.
Headset on. Yo, what's up? Where's Salva? I know he's in the building. So, I know Lucas is looking at GJ, but we'll see what happens. Let's see. I'm a GA fan, so let's go over GA real quick. Let's delete all that. All right. I know you guys miss Luca.
You just want to say that?
Nah. So looking at GA, I kind of like going at the daily first, seeing what I'm looking at. We're clearly at a point of interest on the, we're using the fib. I like using the fib to identify where the equilibrium is. I am a torta lover, just like Luca.
Yeah.
They're asking. What about you, Torta Pounder? I bet you are. But again, yeah, looking at the daily, just kind of seeing that we're having some type of reaction off the equilibrium. Usually when it gets to that point, I know that the trend could potentially switch. Doesn't have to. Again, nothing's promised in trading, but just kind of gives me the idea that something could happen. So what I usually do from there is wait for some type of lower time frame trend switch. I mean, it's clearly bearish, right? But we can see a break of this high. We clearly have a break of, or sorry, a purge of liquidity down here. And we could, what the fuck? Sorry, I'm not used to this shit. It has this magnet on. I don't like that. Anyways, we got a purge of liquidity down here. So if we can get a break of this high, a nice little demand with some imbalance, that's what usually I'm looking for. Okay, I'll probably end up entering. I'll most likely enter that. GJ, as far as GJ, I don't know about entering this right now. I do think that price could continue to fall down a bit more. Again, we don't know. It's clearly bullish and we have no real imbalance to fill in. But if we want to get kind of technical using the Fibonacci again, I like to see again a nice retracement into an area of discount before considering any buys. But we haven't really flipped the trend on the lower time frame, so we could still buy it. Kind of a waiting game, right? Those are the only two pairs I trade, to be honest. I could go over Euro USD, but I just really I'm totally against a lot of US pairs right now. For some reason, I just don't really find anything other than like liquidity sweeps, which are still nice, but I'm just kind of a simple supply and demand, and that's about it. But let's look at Euro. I might get disgusted and just walk away. Gold? Yeah, I'll break down gold. Gold.
Can you break down gold, Brody?
I don't know. I feel like
Shh. He's gone. Everyone's on phone.
The aura was too strong, at least. Let's see, gold. Looks like Luca has some type of supplier here, but again, gold's different than I feel like. I think it's different than GA and GJ for sure. As far as how it moves. I'm not a big gold trader, but I do think that we're gonna get some type of retracement. I do think in a lot of these pairs we're always going to have some form of retracement. When I used to, when I first started trading, that's one thing I always noticed about the markets is there's always gonna be some type of retracement. I just didn't know where and when and how it was gonna happen. But again, using the fib, understanding where price needs to pull into as far as discount and premium, I can say that we can, I can now kind of identify and know how to enter those trades. I'm like all over the place right now. So again, this is how I'd mark it up. Just understanding that, hey, look, we got some imbalance up here. We still got some room to go to fill in that, and as well as meet the institutions up at the top where they would most likely sell off to get the best price. Okay, so I would look for some type of buys depending on how the market moves. Right now, no. We're having a clear rejection off this. I'd want to wait for some type of break, which would be like of this major high, just to kind of give me the best confirmation before entering. And then depending on that, I'd look for a demand, wait for some form of liquidity. We obviously have a liquidity purge right here of these lows, so that could be used going into buys later on. But again, I'm big on waiting. I'm a big 15-minute trader and 4-hour trader. So a lot of my entries are just waiting games. Maybe 1 to 2 a week. Gold just crazy. Yeah, gold is crazy. I don't know. I stopped trading gold. That's Luca's like bread and butter, I swear. And NASDAQ. Have you been trading NASDAQ? I mean, have you been trading gold?
Yeah. Gold's fire.
Are you usually catching supply and demands or just mostly liquidity sweeps?
I like liquidity sweeps, and honestly, like a liquidity sweep that leads to like a trend line break.
Like this.
Low key, look at that. Literally, like you guys see how it took that low, kind of came up, and then that little, not even just that also, but even just like the one right there. Draw that trend line. Okay. Yeah. So it'd be like double. I know Salva sees me, right, Salva? Salva in the chat.
I don't know. He hasn't typed.
Quiet. Like 4 a.m.
Yeah, he's probably sleeping. Or he just woke up. Nah, he definitely didn't. He better be in the mentorship tomorrow. But yeah, I don't know. I don't trade a lot of liquidity sweeps. Luca's kind of trying to tell me to shoot more. Maybe I start doing it with you guys. We'll see. I probably should. And bag out. Luca's bagging out every week, you know. Any other breakdowns? Again, I break down a little bit different than Luca. Still same concepts of supply and demand. Liquidity sweep's a bit different. OFib, was that good? What? I'm gonna try that. Yeah, I'm big on using fibs. It's just again, I don't necessarily enter using fibs, but it's just a good way to identify where prices within the trend. If we're in premium, if we're in discount. Use it for the higher time frames too. Like 4 hour, it really gives you an idea of where you should be buying and selling. And yeah, honestly, it's been working really good for me. I know Luca kind of started using it a bit too. Again, just to identify where price is at the time. So use it for that. Use it for that. Try it out. Again, it depends on the pair too. Like I've just been not having a lot of good trades on the US pairs. I mean, I totally deleted them like a month ago. Anything that involves the US pairs. Gone. Any other breakdown? Anyone trade the same way? Oh no, that. Anyone kind of use fibs? I mean, you don't really have to use a fib to know where premium discount is, but it just gives you a more accurate reading, I guess. But I know most of you probably do that. Let's see, let's check out USD CAD. I haven't touched this in ages.
Bro.
What up? You waiting for GJ? Oh. A minute. Like a little 1-1 banger.
I was looking at, as I kept looking over, is the JPY basket. But that keeps dumping. I literally just kept seeing it break. I saw it rejecting. I thought it was gonna reverse and make a higher low and continue up. It still might. Guys, I low-key just ate off GJ. Show him that. That's amazing.
Told you I got to start taking his liquidity sweeps.
No, I didn't call it though. It was really risky. That's why I didn't call it to you guys. Fuck. So chat, I basically got in like here. I got in one here again and got another one here. So I was in a couple positions on this push. But I was in the 1 minute just scalping too hard because we took out this high right here. We took out this high and started coming down during the same time that I looked over at the JPY basket. And the JPY basket was forming these, like, it took out these lows. And I thought we were going to take out these lows and continue up. But we just kind of melted. What's going on with Jer? Oh my god, perfect. I told you, fib the low to the high, pull back. Damn. Y'all need to... I need y'all to like really tune in with the strategy so that like if I get distracted and look at GJ or gold, you guys can let me know like Luca, like Jer's holding the demand. Like bro, this is literally like the setup of the century. Take liquidity, the demand that led to the impulse, retracement, lows to take out, tap, retap, entry. That was nasty. Damn, you trade on every session? I wouldn't say I trade every session, but I'm usually looking. I'm always looking, but this is perfect. Do you have your own channel, bro? Oh, Nick? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nick's FX. He'll drop in a second. Your patient disease whenever how do you get to this point? I think they're asking you. It ain't me.
I don't know.
GJ though, I'm pissed. I got out, chat. So I got out right here, chat, and then like made a higher low and continued. Fuck. Oh yeah, talk about your patients.
Good.
60 people watching.
Patience. There was this one guy I learned from, forgot his name, but he kind of gave me the idea of just like forgetting about the money, understanding that just about focusing on the process. I don't know. Everything kind of just came clear when I started doing that. A lot more patience was gained, just because I didn't care to lose. And when you don't care to lose, I mean, you're just following the process. You're doing what you have to do in order to win, which is losing. You have to lose to win. I'm sorry, but I haven't been in here too long. I don't think I'm at 3 years yet trading, but yeah, I only take 1 to 2 trades a week. That's really all I take. Really patient. If I don't see a trade, I'm off. I'm gone. I'm doing something at the gym, somewhere. I'm out, whatever. But again, it's just really trying to. I know you probably hear it a lot. Sometimes it's like sounds cliche, but you really gotta get your mind off the money and just focus on just the process, enjoying it, learning from it, and again, journaling. I journal so much. If you guys go to my Instagram, which I'll link later, I got a free trading journal in there if you guys want to use that. So that's what I use. Definitely has helped me understand my system a lot better. What pairs I trade? I trade GJ and GA. That's it. That is it. HY, if you're talking to either me or Luca, I don't know. But I trade New York. I mean, I trade London going into New York, so I trade both like Luca. Leverage? Ooh.
$500. I'm
do you
not
think?
passing it.
Do you recommend using leverage?
I recommend. I don't think leverage matters if you have like leverage matters if you're just trying to full leverage your like account. Kinda. Not. I mean, like the difference between 1 and 500 and 1 and like 100. I always do 1 to 500, but like you don't really need it unless you're you're trying to flip like a smaller account.
Yeah. Well, I trade funded, so it's all 1 to 100. But yeah, I mean, like Lucas said, if you have a smaller account, 1 to 500, it's not necessarily going to. I mean, it could hurt you, but if you're risking right, you should be fine.
Show them your channel.
Channel? I just link it
Here. Real quick. Chat. This is what you have to comment on for the giveaway. We're doing a 25K funded giveaway. I dropped a video today on how I made $13,000 in 2 days. And like I said, I said this on my story, but before any of the haters are like, cap, guys, I literally recorded both the setups live. Oh shit, that wasn't over here. But you can see here's the broker. Showing you the broker, showing you the live broker. And then I go through and basically break it all down for you. But type in Nick's.
You.
Chat, run them up. What do we got? 68? We need to get them to 100 by tonight. 30 of you. That's step 1 of the giveaway. You got to get them to at least like 90. Come on now, chat.
I don't post. I post every trade I take and every pre-week analysis. But other than that, I don't really post. I need to probably post a little bit more as far as how I trade. But you can kind of see all that in every trade breakdown. So, but yeah, I don't know if the link to my Discord's in there, but what are my favorite pairs? GA and GA, or GA for sure. I love GA. Love it. Thank you, HY. Appreciate that. And as far as leverage, Yeah, a lot. I've always heard like even with smaller accounts, like you should still be doing 1 to 100. Especially if like you're still blowing accounts. Just trade small until you can really get it.
That rejection. Why GA is good. GJ and gold full margin.
Will I post some tutorials? Yeah, I kind of want to post a video. I've been wanting to post a video on like Fibonacci and all that, and really how I break down to trading. And then use those videos to turn into some type of course. But yeah, I should soon. But again, I mostly just pre-week analysis every week before the market's open. I'm dropping a video every trade I take. Yeah, so but definitely got to be posting more. I don't really live stream anymore. I was live streaming early in the morning. That was when I was trading heavy New York, but I think I'll start going into the night streams probably after Luca, just so he doesn't steal all my viewers away when I'm streaming at the same time. But yeah. What's up, Salva? I do have custom settings on my fib. I don't know if you're talking about Luca's fib. Mine are basically the same to be on. Thank you, sir. Thank you. But yeah, I have custom settings for, again, I mainly just look at the equilibrium. So if you have the 50%, you should be fine. Other than that, I just have the 0.62 and 0.79 are the other ones that I have on there. But again, I don't really use anything but the equilibrium and maybe the 7.9 just to kind of get an idea where it's most at discount or premium. Two at the same time. What is going on? And be.
Dude, a custom setting on Fibonacci. Yeah, bro, guys, all of your guys' Fibonacci, when you guys first open up your guys' like Fibonacci on your trading view, if you've never touched it before, looks ugly. So just, yeah, click on the settings so you guys can, everyone just do that. Everyone copy those settings. What's up, KIROLA? Baddies. Pose for me.
Do I know SK strategy? I don't. You know SK strategy?
No, sounds. Never mind. That'll be nice.
No, I don't know what that is. Explain, Lana. Tell us what it is. Maybe we just don't remember the name. You know, that's why I wait for confirmations, right? I don't know. GA might continue to sell off. So we'll see. We'll see. Was there news tonight?
Bro. This was A+, you mother truckers. Y'all need to tune in and also freaking. Damn. Okay, can I kiss it over again?
Yeah, of course.
Chat. This was bread and butter. This is what I'm talking about. Is that you guys need to damn. That's crazy. I can't even lie. Chat. Had a correction to take liquidity. Led to the break of structure. Oh damn, what happened to the camera? Can you hear me? Oh yeah, they can. It's 4 o'clock a.m. Wow, we subscribe, Nix. People are saying they subscribed.
Thank you. Someone said thank you.
Hell yeah. Everyone go subscribe. All right, chat. Bullish structure, step 1. Where is the impulse coming from? You could clearly see price came, swept liquidity here that led to the break of structure here. So I fibbed from the low to the high. Let me redo it for you. So I fibbed from the low to the high of the structure. You could see right here. And then we had the pullback into the 786, had a push up, retested here for entry that absolutely flew. You could see here 1 to 4.5 R to R setup, bagged. W's in the chat. We get some W's in the chat, chat. Is that so much to ask for? It's been a fire stream. And then we'll do the giveaway. When Nick comes down. More W's, more W's, more W's. I need more W's in that chat. I need me some more W's in that chat. Need some more in that chat. Another night, bro. Every single live stream is filled with. Tell him.
Bangers.
Tell him. Filled with absolute bangers with the stream. Broken down. Appreciate y'all for coming through. Dubs in the chat. Let's go. Nah, do my eyes deceive me, bro? Look who's in the chat. There's no way. What time is it?
EMMITT?
Yeah. Bro. EMMITT mother frickin' trades. Guys, we have the realest triple OG to ever walk the earth amongst us. Some say that Moses parted the Red Sea. The others who know the truth knows EMMITT. Wow. Damn, that's wild, bro. This is the best stream I've ever seen. The chosen one has spoken. I appreciate y'all. Bro, EMMITT, what are you doing, bro? Did you wake up with some... Bro, like, literally, like, was dead ass asleep, just, like, knocked. And just had the feeling we were, like, making money. And he woke up. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like... Bro, so JR30 was a banger setup, but got into a little scalp on GJ. Super glad I got out. I even got out way less than I thought, you know. I got out right here. It kept going. I was pissed. Then it reversed. Now I'm not pissed anymore. If I were to start all over, I would learn from NLT quickest route to profitability. Hey, bro, stamp it. Chat, stamp that shit. Sheesh. We got the Zenlabians with the NLT, bro. The collab is back, brother. If you know, I don't know what you're doing and why you're awake, but if you're on your computer, you already know that we want you on here. But I'm guessing you just woke up and was on your phone. That's fire though, bro. Hell yeah, guys. We got EMMITT in the fucking building. When I grow up, I want to be like EMMITT. That's what I'm saying. Legendary blue hat. That's funny. Luca parted the Red Sea. No, guys, I'm telling you, it was EMMITT. There was no cameras, you know? So, like, it was like more of like a, if you were there type shit. But EMMITT parted that shit. May come back to London for a couple weeks. I miss it. That would be why. No, he's not. That motherfucker. He said he's come back to London for a couple of weeks. That motherfucker. He's too in the zone. No, into London session. 4 AM on your side? No, where EMMITT is. If y'all see that person in the chat, EMMITT.TRADES looks like a taller Chris Brown. Like, this is the GOAT. Like, some call him EMMITT, some call him the GOAT, you know? So everyone needs to tap in with the boy. For sure, for sure. Guys, my crew doesn't miss. I have Salva, Nick, and EMMITT, who just like, I don't know, some call him the Marine Corps. SEAL Team 6 type shit. But I just called them the boys. No, Emmett's the GOAT, guys. It sucks he doesn't stream anymore. It makes sense though, his streams were too fire. He did free live streams like me, and then he realized he was too good, and he was like, I gotta hide this shit. He's like, the banks might catch on. So sick. Yo, Salvanik, how'd you find such a good team? Bro, I don't even know. I don't even know how I found Salva. Salva, how'd we find each other? I've been friends with Salva for the longest time. Nick, I met at a meet and greet here in LA. A meetup. It was lit. I was like, wait, this guy trades. Follow Emmett too? Bro, you better. It's HY. If you don't follow Emmett, you're getting booted. Start kicking people out. I go through their subscribed. I messed up before you was crazy? How? I could... is that true? Oh, you met him. Yeah. Crazy. Y'all don't even know though. So I was about to buy a yacht, come pick me up and shit. Y'all don't even know. Facts. By the way, Luca, what time frame do you draw fib on? Bro, it's more about structure, you know? It's like if you're on the 5 minute, the highs and the lows of the impulse leg should also match up with the 15 1 hour. Obviously the 4 hour and etc. You're gonna get bigger shit, but damn, look at the camera thing. So it has to be the freaking it has to be the cord. So guys, I swapped out cameras today. I swapped out cameras because the last one was doing that, thinking it was the camera, but now it has to be the cord because it's a brand new camera. Emmett, can you like text me while you're awake, bro? Like, or did you just like wake up just cause on accident? Camlink fam, so you think it is Camlink? That's what I'm thinking. It's the little Camlink thing that goes into the. I think I fucking hit it too hard and it's janked now. Trashed. I gotta order another one. The one I ordered was the cheap one on Amazon anyway, so I should just order 3 just to like have on standby. Damn, I'm glad you told me it was the Camlink thing because I definitely thought it was like maybe the wire. It definitely is the Camlink thing. The wire is probably chill. Bro, crazy. Bro's nuts. What's good, fam? Yo, we got NLT Cam in the building. W's in the chat. What's up, G? We got all the triple OGs in the chat. We got Nick here with us today. Nick did a whole breakdown. We already called bangers. Crazy. Motherfucker. Try cord first. I had to buy a new cam link once and the cord was fine. I think it's the cam. I mean, yeah, I have 2 of these cords, so tomorrow I'll test the other cord. But the more that like once you said that, I thought about it, like it definitely that's the thing. Guys, Jared 30 was like the setup. All right, one more time. Ready? Y'all see us making higher highs, higher lows. Once you make this higher high, retrace on the fib level, continue. See this demand marked up? Bro, as easy as this is what, you know, you see this uptrend? This higher high led to this low being created that took liquidity, swept, that led to this whole impulse. So like when I see this, when I see liquidity being swept, that leads to these whole impulse. This is the impulse like I'm telling you guys about that I wait for like retracements into the discount. So I literally just fib it up, wait for us to be in a discount below the 50%. You guys can see we had some lows to take out here, you know, early buyers in here. We tapped into this demand, came down, made a higher low within it, little trend line break, volume in the London session, boom. How you feeling, NLT fam? I'm feeling good, NLT Cam. How you doing, bro? What's NLT, bro? Come on. No losers team, no lame trades. I like the no lame trades. No losers team. Oh my god. It's actually no limit trading, but I like no lame trades. That might be the new. Yeah, so I do have a free channel, but I just sent a notifications. Wait, no, I don't want that. I wanted to WAP. If you guys do want signals, you guys want to follow my trades, this is where you guys can get them. This is my WAP page. You guys can follow my trades. There's also a chat room where you can all discuss and stuff. Also a Discord. Salva, can you send the Discord or Cam or, you know? Is there any kind of settings on TV to set that you can have different indicators on different pairs? Is there a kind of setting you can set? Nah, I don't think so. Oh, maybe as a template. If you save a certain template for a certain pair, you could just go and, you know, you can go and change the template. But actually, I don't even know if that still does it. Great brother had a beer with the fan. Yes, sir, Cam. Good to see you. Luca. Nick, Luca, T. Salva. Goats. Nick sits when he pees, though, so I don't, you know.
That's great.
So I don't know how to feel about that.
That's great.
What do you gotta say about that?
That was unexpected.
You said that's unexpected. Does this strategy work with every pair? This kind of analysis, bro? I think the way that I trade is just how the market really moves. I hate to be that type of person. I don't like claim like, oh, I trade like the banks or whatever. I just like the concepts I use when it comes to like looking for a direction. You already hear like it's not really a strategy just to know that the trend is your friend. You know what I'm saying? Like the trend is your friend. So I look for the trend. I look at whatever impulse led to the break of structure. So if we're in a bullish trend, where is the most recent leg that's like led to a break of structure? That's usually what I pay attention to, is the recent leg, because that's showing me the direction. Then how does the market move? Higher highs, higher lows. So ultimately I'm just waiting for price to make higher highs, come down and making higher time frame, higher lows. In those in those pullbacks, I really am looking for just liquidity to be taken, quick little breaks of structure, and I'm looking to complete the overall move. Like it's really not, you know, that strategy is just how the market moves. It's how you know, session highs, session lows. Setup background is insane. It's kind of fire. It's kind of dirty right now, but bro, like with like the, oh shit. I'm kidding. Nah, but yeah, with the whole like, y'all can't see it, but Emmitt's been here though with like the view. He's seen the view and shit. Emmitt's been in the cribbo. I need to clean the table off. I got my new Apple shit there, bro. Emmitt, the new Apple headphones are kind of lit.
Did you like them? Yeah.
Try them on. You try them on. Spent $600 on these Johnnies. They're so gassed though. It's fucking crazy. Like right when you put them on, bro, it's like ridiculous. Nah, you'll see. Noise canceling isn't on yet. You can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Ready to play music? Yeah, watch. Ready? Did it cancel? Yeah, now it noise cancel. You can't hear shit. That's crazy. Yeah, see, the shit's fire, bro. Emmitt, one of the things that's kind of weird on it too, I don't know how you guys think about, like, feel about this, but let's say I'm holding my phone and I'm playing music, if I turn my head, it'll like swap where then like it's louder in this ear and it's like not as loud in this ear. It's like wherever my phone is like where the music's coming from. It's freaking weird. What's a good weekly target goal on a 25K funded? Probably 50K. No, I'm totally kidding. What's a good weekly? Once again, bro, it all comes down to what kind of trader you are. You gotta tell me. Yeah, you like that shit? You gotta tell me like how many trades you take in a week, and then you just gotta kind of like go back from there. You gotta just walk backwards. You use what time frame to identify breaker structure? For now, I usually look at the 15:30. Is that okay? I look at like the 5, honestly. Guys, the 5 minute shows you like enough. Bro, JR30, are you kidding me right now? Alright, yeah, chat. We train Jared tomorrow. Don't gotta ask me twice. We got Emmett in the building though, that's crazy. Emma, I texted you some degenerate ass shit, bro. You wanna check your phone? Bro, this motherfucker just flexed on me with like the Bose Quiet Comfort.
Wait, what?
Just gotta go fuck myself, I guess. I'm kidding. Totally kidding. Sundays. Do you like them?
It's hella comfortable. Like some of those, I really don't like the things like that. Those really.
Emma texted me saying, yo, that's OG. OG as in like OG no risk management days, Loki. Nah, it's a calculated risk. Kinda. Look at that's crazy. That's a great tips. Thanks for reply. Yes, sir. Got you guys. I use 5 minutes to see change of character and confirms on M30. Gang. Nas TP2 hit 2, bro. Guys, the gang is outside tonight. I don't know who. Like, guys, Emmett had like a feeling. Like, he had the shivers. He was like, oh my god. Everybody's like, bro, that they're just. He knew we were just winning. He's like, I gotta go tap in. GJ's gotta fucking pick what it's gonna do. I'm glad I got out for profit, honestly. You know what I'm saying? We got 65 of you motherfuckers here, and we only got 28 likes. If you guys do not like this stream, you're crazy. But we actually are going to go do a giveaway, guys. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I dropped a new YouTube video going over how I made $13,000 in 2 trading days. Yes, it is true. Yes, I show you it on the broker. Yes, I recorded both of me. Bro, so also chat. So in this video, I do show you the broker and I show you the entries and all type of stuff, but the video ended up being 18 minutes long with the breakdown. So I'm going to be dropping 2 separate videos of just no vlog, no anything, literally just the raw footage of me doing the trades. Because both trades that made me those monies back to back days, one of them was it was just one morning I was here, you know, and I was looking to make content. I wanted to take make a reel for Instagram of me entering a trade and it playing out. Bro, it ended up being a huge trade. Like literally ended up just being huge. So I recorded myself there, me looking for the setup, entering it playing out, me closing partials. That's all in there. And the other one was on my mentorship call. You know, I go live in the mornings of my mentorship, and we did that live, and those are all always recorded. So I have both those that I'm going to drop as their own shit. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe for that. I love. Yo, I think he's talking to you, Nick.
What?
Bro said what? I think he likes you. I think Moto likes you. And I just All right, Todd, let's do the giveaway. I want to get the fuck out of here. No, I'm totally kidding. That was super rude. But this is your last chance, guys. Everyone go leave a comment. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube video. Bunch of goats. And we're going to pick a winner. Sundays, Sundays, Sundays. Get YouTube comments. 18. Alright, chat. When I press start, we're going. It's your last little chance to go leave a little comment. Y'all got like 20 seconds. I hope it's Emmett. What video? Bro, look like above the text that you I sent the YouTube links like a bunch of times. So simple. Why you be this so simple like that? Why you be so simple? It's on this video, chat. Y'all should go watch it too. It's a long video though. It's doing pretty good for it being such a long video. If I don't win, it's rigged. Facts. That actually is, that makes total sense actually. Alright, chat, we're going. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for coming. And press start. And the winner is dun 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 dun. Oh no, wait, is it the boy Reginald? Nah, different Reggie. That don't look like Reginald. Shout out Reggie. W Reggie or what? He's gotta be here in the chat though. If he's not here in the chat, then... Hi, I just found you. Hi, Carol. Thank you for finding me. I actually found you. No, I'm kidding. I'm going to hell. She's like, unsubscribe. Yeah, right. W Reggie, if he's not here though, guys, you guys already know that what we do. I won. Reginald is my other profile. Go Reg, go Reg. Man, I'll miss that from people. Yeah, I miss what this is the live stream shit. My middle name is Reggie. I won Reginald's my other profile. Yeah, Emmett, that shit happens all the time. Alright, chat, he's not here, so we're gonna pick another winner. Dun 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 dun, and the winner is V Legacy. Do 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 do. Wait, I haven't even seen him say what's up for a little bit. He might have been gone too. He's usually here though. He might just be quiet. He's gonna pop up, be like, "Oh look, he said yes, sir." he's just chilling in the cut. Uh-oh. Why you leave it so simple like that? Why you... Bro, that's so nice. Someone's left me a fire review. I appreciate anyone who goes and leaves me this. I was kind of scared to review it, but it was actually good. W, whoever this is. Damn, it's not even up. Right here. About an hour ago. I've been trading for a while, but working with Luca is game changing. After learning from him, my trading has completely transformed from my actual strategies to my discipline and risk management. He's not just some other guru, he's the real deal and the best mentor that I've worked with so far. He makes things so simple and you can tell he actually wants everyone to succeed. His signals are also the most consistent in the industry, and he explains his reasoning behind the trades he's taken so that you can actually learn from them. I could say with confidence that Luca has changed my trading career and the reason I'm profitable today. If you're looking for a mentor, Luca is definitely your guy. Guys, chat, the proof is in the pudding. I'm not here to, you know, come on. Stop playing with the kid. But guys, I'm out of here. If any of you guys want to join, that is the link. Shout out to whoever left that comment, because I can't even tell. I don't know who this is. Steerend is, I don't know. But I appreciate y'all guys. W stream, W chat, y'all are the best. I will see y'all tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you to all the new people who came through. Shout out to Nick, boy here. And that's about it, chat. We'll catch y'all on the flip side. Don't miss us too much. Gold doing the thing? What's Gold doing? Oh, bro, no way. Oh no, dude, Lewis, if you got into this, I should just give you a 25K. If Lewis got into this for sales, off this fib, yeah, from the mentorship, that would be gangster. Take out the highs, doom, fib up, rejection, go. Oh, bro. You know who'd be getting into the setups like this though? Who has the balls? Fucking Sebastian George. Those motherfuckers will just see a liquidity grab, fib up this, and then just, and they eat. They do, bro. George, during the mentorship, bro, 2 weeks in, he was like, just like literally just fibbing up everything, like catching fire and jeez. I was like, damn. What do you think of Jer? I think Jer's gone, bro. There's nothing to do. What are you gonna do? And she was down here. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the best. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out, chat. Deuces.